Hello everyone, so the January has ended and I have made weblog for each week of the January month. That's quite an achievement and I'm a bit proud that I made this far, but I can't rest on laurels and have to get to work to get more games and devlogs. So what have I done this week? I decided that my combat system is not good, so I remade it to be an auto battle style like in Loop Hero. Now heroes and enemies have their own attack speeds and they attack when their time is to do it. I think it looks better. Also, I'm thinking about getting multiple heroes. You start with one and get additional ones, but it will be implemented after MVP is done. And I also made that board regenerate after I changed levels, so now player gets different enemies when exiting through the portal. Okay, now it's time for the tea time with Iris section, and this week I want to talk about spaghetti code. First thing, I want to establish that you can never reach a situation when your code will be super nice and clean, and it's never black and white situation where at least there are 50 shades of grey. Also, diminishing returns work on programming. The more you try to get to 100%, the more effort it takes. And clean codes takes a lot longer to make, so time is money. I want to make a couple of points. The more people are on team, the harder it is working with an unorganized code becomes. If you're a solo developer, you probably remember all gotchas. Some people like to make abstractions up to 11. As ex-Java developer, I still have nightmares of these simple being-aware factories. On the other hand, lots of game dev channels are made by people who barely start programming, so they filled with beginner problems like all public variables, one-letter variables, too long methods, and then many other things. So in the end, what should we do? How to deal with the situation? I think the answer is very simple. Just do it. Doing something beats doing nothing and planning for everything. Just do something and improve. That's the important thing. And that's the end of my rant, so thank you all for listening.